Good morning. My name is Marel Vicebalsa. I am a third semester student of English degree. Today, I will prepare a typical breakfast of the Coas, called cayeye or cat. Ingredients. For this recipe, we will need 4 green bananas, cottage cheese, oil, 2 long onions cut into small pieces, 2 tomatoes cut in cubes, onions cut small pieces, and garlic. Cut the string banana until they are tender. In a medium skillet, over medium heat the oil. When the oil is hot and long onions, tomatoes, and garlic. Then mixture about 7 minutes. Strain and make a puree. Add the mashed banana and set aside. To serve, place some cayenne and unplane. And add grated cheese. It's ready.